Adrian Jameson, Vice Chairman of the Randox Northern Ireland Potato Festival. We're in Causeway here, Bushmills. We've had a great day and we've 5,500 people through the gate already, and it's only 2:30, so hopefully a few more this evening.
My name's Art Ward. I'm in charge of the site logistics on the site of the Randox Northern Ireland Potato Festival. We have stuff for the kids, we have food to go, we have exhibitions, we have talks, artisan foods, craft makers, so the whole bag is there.
It's great to see so many people out enjoying themselves, watching the cookery demonstrations from the chefs from all over Northern Ireland.
Mark Copes from Randox Health. First year of sponsorship of the Potato Festival. Quite amazing the amount of varieties of potatoes that we've learnt about today. Been a great flow of people of all ages, kids and adults alike. We've been up with a mobile clinic, a lot of interest in health checks and what we do and what Randox is about.
We were forecast for heavy rain and winds, and as you can see the heavy rain is still held off. So happy day, good day for all.